If you are ready to begin a meditation practice, then this 10-minute guided meditation is a great start for beginners, as it will help you understand how to breathe and to clear your thoughts. In this meditation, I'll be guiding you with one of the easiest and most effective techniques, conscious breathing. Start by finding a comfortable seated position and closing your eyes. We will start by taking deep, conscious breaths. Breathing in through your nose, making sure your belly is expanding outward. And exhale, your belly's contracting. Again, a slow, deep breath in, making sure that your belly's expanding out. And exhale, your belly's contracting. One more deep breath in. And this time, as you exhale, allow your breath to get back to normal rhythm. Relaxing your face and let go of any tension in the forehead. Unclench your jaw. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your arms. Relax your chest and back. Soften and relax your belly, hips, legs, and feet. Relaxing your mind completely. Notice if you are sensing any tightness, tension, or pain in your body. And then consciously choose to relax. Feel yourself relaxing deeper now and let go. Finding this peace, present awareness within as you settle into your meditative state. Taking a deep breath in and a long exhale. Let go. Surrender into this beautiful presence of love and tranquility. Simply witnessing your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe deeply into your heart and take this moment to send gratitude to yourself for finding this time in your day, dedicating it to your well-being. Breathe in and let it go. Begin to focus on the simple sensations of your inhalation and your exhalation. Observing the movement of the breath without trying to control it. Inhale. Exhale. Continue that cycle of breath, extending on the inhale and contracting on the exhale. If your breath begins to change, becoming slower or faster, allow these changes to happen without any resistance or anticipation. Completely surrender yourself to your breath. Remember, the goal is not to keep yourself without thought. You only need to bring yourself back to the present moment to focus after you notice a thought has taken your attention. This is training your mind to follow your commands instead of doing what it wants to do and controlling you. So thoughts are essential here. Noticing thoughts is what brings you into the present moment. Keep bringing yourself gently back to the breath, making sure your belly's rising on the inhale and your belly's contracting on the exhale. As you are staying there with your breath, begin to feel the coolness of the air as it travels through your nostrils on the inhale, and the warmth of the air as it travels out of your nostrils on the exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again, deep breath in, filling those lungs with as much oxygen, prana energy as you can. And exhale, completely letting go. A thought may come and take your focus away. Know that distractions are perfectly normal, especially at the beginning of your meditation practice. If your attention drifts away to a particular thought in your mind, or perhaps a sound in the environment, or a sensation in your body, gently bring your awareness back to your breath, focusing on the inhale and the exhale. Remember to be patient with yourself and don't allow frustration to take over. This practice of patience will be visible in your day-to-day life. Stay connected to your breath. Deep breath in and exhale. Focus on simply breathing in and breathing out. Bring in your focus back to your breath if your mind decides to wander. Bring in your awareness back to your breath gently and without judgment. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment right now. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, belly out. Exhale, belly in. Beautiful. Allow for your entire body to fully relax now. Taking a deep breath in. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nose, connecting you deeply with this powerful prana energy, this powerful universal force of life as it enters your body. The invisible vibration that moves through you with each inhalation and exhalation, filling you with power, filling you with strength, and filling you with love. Simply allow it to flow through you. Allow it to heal you. Don't analyze. Don't judge. Surrender and allow. Feel it. Befriend it. Connect with it. Align with it. That's it. Beautiful. Breathe in. Breathe out. Consciously make your belly expand and rise with each inhale and fall, contracting with each exhale. Bringing your focus to the breath, moving the belly. Very good. This is meditation, and you're doing so well. As this practice comes to a close, bring your focus back to your body. Become aware of the room you are in. Feel your body on the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. And notice how you're feeling. Notice how your body is feeling. Know that breathing in and breathing out is getting back to the present moment. The present moment makes life possible for you because life can only be found in this present moment. Take a slow, deep breath in. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Namaste.